Transferring files from a Windows PC to a Mac is a piece of cake, and we will show you how. In this straightforward tutorial, we will guide you through the hassle-free process of moving your documents, photos, and more to your new Mac. Whether you are switching system or just sharing files, our step-by-step guide will make it a breeze. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more user-friendly tech tutorials. To transfer files from a Windows computer to a Mac, Step 1. Use an external storage device like a USB flash drive or an external hard drive. Step 2. Connect the device to your Windows computer and copy the files you want to transfer onto it. Step 3. Safely eject the device from the Windows computer. Step 4. Connect the external storage device to your Mac. Step 5. Open Finder on your Mac. Step 6. Locate the external storage device in the Finder sidebar. Step 7. Drag and drop the files from the device to your Mac's desired location. Alternatively, you can use cloud storage services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive to sync and access your files on both Windows and Mac computers.